So I'm here to see my little brother who works inside a ship, and in order for me to enter the area and meet somebody, you have to pay 428 baht. So they'll take your ID card and they'll take your car license or insurance. And I finally arrived. It's a massive ship.
Wow.
Hi! Oh, how are you? So good. So handsome. Okay, looks like a hotel. Wow, so big.
So just right now until 11 I have to be there.
Ah, okay.
Alissa Stehlin, you can just sit there and enjoy.
How many floors are there?
14.
14 floors. Okay. How many lifts do you have?
Guests 3.
3?
Oh, yeah.
Just
and
3?
Crew 4.
Oh, I see. Guests have 3 and crews have 4. Wow. Crews get more lifts than guests. Wow. Fancy. Christmas tree.
6, 7, 8.
8
Same.
restaurants.
8 restaurants.
Wow. You work in one.
I work here, Osteria, the Italian
Oh.
pizza and pasta.
Do you get to eat some food?
Yeah.
Wow. Free food.
Yeah, we
Yay.
can just go upstairs in the buffet lunchtime.
Nice. Wow.
Ask for it. They allow.
Yay. What's behind there? It's a shopping mall, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see from the name. No, actually the name says like the new wall, but then it says shopping passage. Haha. Oh, all the shops are closed.
Yeah, because 4 days we are not allowed to open.
Okay.
When the ship leaves,
Mm.
we can just open it because it's like the law.
Oh, wow. So some.
This is like a photo center, something that people, when the photographers take pictures, photos, just can come, find their photos and print it out.
I see. And pay for it.
Yeah.
Of course. Oh, they have a theater, a cinema.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's bar, nightclub.
Nightclub. Oh.
Casino, play stuff.
Casino. Gambling.
That's already closed.
Oh, closed but not locked. Wow, slot machines, roulette. This must be the roulette. Oh, see.
All the smokers are here.
Yeah, I can still smell the smoke.
Yes. Like our theater is pretty like huge for the ship.
Yeah, right. It looks like in a shopping mall.
Just go inside.
Oh no, it doesn't even look like a shopping mall anymore. It looks like an actual like theater for like
Yeah,
big
look how
place. Wow.
huge it is.
This is like almost like Broadway show.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Every time some concerts, some push stuff, they meet when we events.
Day and night bistro. Show bar, so it's a bar. Okay, next interview question. So, how did you first react when you entered the ship?
I was amazed how huge it was, you know?
I think it's the same. I'm like,
Yeah.
oh my gosh, this
Because
is
like when I just arrived with the car, like I couldn't see the ship at all. And like through this like a terminal, I went out and I just saw the huge.
wow.
And like, oh my goodness, that.
Like you went straight to the entrance.
Yeah.
You smell how new it is, like a new car.
So this part is like cross Freiheit.
Yeah.
It means like everything's exclusive. So like this kind of people, VIP people come here and
Am I VIP too? for being here.
Restaurants, bars.
Wow. Hi. Sorry? Oh, thank you. Ah, I didn't understand. Another Christmas tree.
Here's Hanami, the sushi bar.
Oh, we're at the... Is this like the side or the end of the ship?
End.
End, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, of course, there's a flag. Like, I'm still lost in this massive structure. Ooh, thank you. Oh. It's very windy. Is this Malta?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
When we register the guest, we have to explain everything in German.
Wow, everything in German. So what if somebody asks you a question? Are you always able to answer?
No, not always.
No. But there are German speakers here, right? Like
Yeah.
fluent who can do
sure,
everything.
sure.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So don't worry. Okay. Like, so in this whole 6 months, it's 6 months, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, are they all the exact same passengers?
Not every time. Sometimes we have less. Like the less. Like in my last contract, it was like 2,200.
Oh, 2,200.
Yeah. And
Okay.
it was really like few. Like and there's
What?
nothing to do at all.
Really? 2,200 is not a lot?
Yeah, not a lot.
What? What's
Like-
the maximum capacity?
2,700, 2,800.
Wait, so with 500-600 more, that's when it's a lot.
Yes.
What?
Yeah. You can just really feel.
Really?
Even when it's like more 400 or 200 people, you can just feel it.
Whoa, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And imagine with a crew, like the whole crew is 1,000 people altogether, about like
Oh, that's what.
4,000.
I see.
The guests they buy tickets like cruise only for one cruise, maximum 2-3 cruises. One cruise takes like about 15 days, 10-15
Oh,
days.
I see. So
Right
it keeps changing then.
Yeah.
Ah.
Every 10-15 days we have
Ah.
embarkation days. Guests
I
are
see.
changing.
Yeah, sorry, I have no experience in this
Ah.
stupid question maybe.
A lot of people use that.
Oh wow. Yeah, I'm curious. Like, people have so much time. Like, I'm just thinking, like, do people have that much time they could go on a cruise for 6 months? Do you know how much one cruise costs?
I heard it's like about the minimum price. It starts 2,500 euros.
Euros, okay.
Yeah.
For like 15 days, something like
Yeah.
that.
10 days.
Wow.
And it depends on the hotel, the room.
Like a suite or a single and all
yes.
that. I see. Thank you. Thanks for the
Welcome.
answer. So interesting. This can go on YouTube, yeah? Nothing secret, right? Dear guests, please do not take the glasses out of the day and night bistro. Thank you. Whoa. So during port days, do the guests go out for like a day trip?
Yes, they have special trips, but like some of them they just stay because I asked some of the guests like how many times they're coming to the cruise. They say it will be 5, 10, 15 times. They just experience that they stay on the ship. And like most of half of the guests they just go to some excursions somewhere else.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So the cruise is more like just to get here, right? Just to travel
Yeah.
here.
But for some of the guests, no, just enjoy the ship.
I
Service,
see.
the everything.
Right. I think it takes days to actually explore the entire ship. Several days.
Atlantic Mediterranean restaurant.
Ooh.
The capacity of like 500 people.
500 people.
Down also 500 people.
It's like more than International Congress of Isaac.
So all Isaac can
Actually, how cool would it be to host a conference on a ship?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Sometimes some like what's it called? Special people like they book the whole ship. For example, last time was
Billionaire, some billionaire.
like sometimes they host it and especially this kind of people come and then they enjoy the ship.
Right. Spiral stairs. Bitte desinfizieren Sie sich Ihre Hände. Ja. Please disinfect your hands. Oh, bakery. It smells really good. It smells like Germany, like Europe. Oh, the pool. Wow, the big pool, the small pool. High season. Could play basketball here, you could cycle stationarily here. Wow. So this is the top, right?
Yeah.
Wow. Yay. Wow, the wind is strong. Oh, bear.
So close.
It's too high for me. No.
Now you're looking to see the sky.
What am I? Yep, I'm looking at the sky. Because I'm so short, I can't see. Another restaurant, buffet style. So like all you can eat as much as you want for one price.
Yeah.
Alright, this is
No,
this.
no, it's
No.
free. It's inclusive.
So,
It's inclusive. for
okay,
free.
it's definitely buffet then.
Wow. Spät ist es?
20 ab 11. They have a barber shop here. Friseur. Yeah. So I just order. So I just
Yeah,
order.
just tell. Can I have this?
Danke.
Ich auch.
I just pick from here. Yeah. Oh, wow, this is like seafood. Ooh, enjoy.
Let's take a picture.
Like, it's a free meal. Tend to. I took my friends to Pattaya Beach here a little bit. The beach. How's the beach?
It's okay.
Is it swimmable?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not as far as next, but
Okay. Cool. Bye bye, luxurious ship. I'm gonna miss you. Gonna miss you too, brother, and all the friends, all the new friends I made today. It was so memorable. It's a really good day. I had so much fun. Yeah, we just headed to Pattaya, went to the beach, had a meal, and yeah, it's crazy. It's cool. I liked it.